Crosman Summit Ranger np2 177 caliber. Those are 9.8 grain Winchester magnums, round nose. I can get one hole groups all day with those, and this is actually partially because I just retaped this and I didn't put up new paper behind it, so it's actually a little bigger than it probably should be, but that's fine. Again, one hole groups all day with this gun. It's pushing those pellets at about 1023 to 1035 FPS at about 23.5 foot-pounds on average, give or take a foot-pound, but usually at about 23. If you really want to go low, I'd say 22.7. I've documented it well. This is at about 12 meters. The 4x scope, just a little BSA throwaway optic, nothing special. Offhand, by the way, too. Alright, thanks. Any questions? Feel free to hit me up. Rockbiter out.